would be they would like to keep in the back room. The first one is demand is very huge, right? They are not going to they have not enough room to display their product in the showroom. The first thing. The second thing is the size of the product is kind of big, right? Relatively big than the others. Okay? You know, what is the biggest one? Would be in any convenience store. This big convenience store? No. It's hard for us to find any product like this size, right?
The snack.
Snack is small.
Some is like big one. Very like just
Instant
not
noodle with the box. Agree? That's almost the maximum size in the CVS, right? Instant noodle, okay, this big, okay? Or this big, right? You see? The size with big, almost the biggest ones in the retail outlet. They will put those in the back room. And also, the demand is kind of relatively higher than the others. Nowadays, they even provide the tables for instant noodles, right? Okay? Yeah. I checked those back room. Yeah. I saw them. Okay. So to decouple or separate variation, we don't have time for this one, but I will tell you a little bit, and then next week I will describe a little bit further. Okay. To decouple, what does it mean by decouple? Okay. Can you imagine what is the frequency of the delivery for convenience store and hypermarket? Delivery frequency, which one is higher? Convenience store. Why? Because they only hold little inventory, right? So all the inventory is tend to be stocked up within a day, okay? So that's why they ask the delivery more frequently than hypermarket. Okay? So hypermarket then hold a huge bulk of the inventory, okay? So they have a little communication with their upstream supplier than the convenience store. So that's so-called the decouple. Next I will let you know how to compare the logistics system for the retail outlet to the JIT system in the manufacturing side. Also use the so-called decouple idea. See you next week.